So today we're going to talk about Google Smart Campaign or Google Merchants Smart Campaign. So Google introduced Shopping Smart Campaign, which combines between standard shopping campaign and display marketing. So Google, it's a new campaign type that was introduced by Google. I used this campaign a lot. I feel it's working fine, and it uses machine learning in order to deliver your ads to your target audience. So how to create this smart campaign? First, you have there are two things you have to do before starting this smart campaign. First, you have to verify to install the tracking or the conversion code to your inside your websites in order to use this one. I have already installed mine, but what you have to do is to click here, website, purchase. You can name it the name that you want. Okay, let's name it Google Shopping 2019. They use different value. I'm using Shopify, so you can use the same. So I'm going to change this later. In this website, I'm using USD in my Shopify as a default currency. So you can use whatever currency you are using inside your website. $30 days. I'm using 30 days conversion, and then you can put anything here, but I'm going to use it in my Shopify, so I'm going to use to change this in my Shopify checkout page. As soon as you get the code, you have to add the conversion tracking code inside your websites in order to. This is the conversion you have to use in the hidden, and this is the one you have to use in your checkout page. If you are using Shopify, it's easy, you can use it, but you have to change these values here into dynamic values. After you set up this one and you add the code inside your websites, it will take till 24 hours in order to verify the code. Then you can go and create a shopping campaign. So let's go back and create our first shopping campaign. New campaign. Then it's sales. Then we are shopping, and this is the feed, and we're going to target the country that I'm already targeting United States, Canada. I'm going to target Norway, or let's do Hong Kong. Smart campaign is active because the conversion tag is already installed in my website. Continue. Let's name it here. Smart campaign. Let's do a budget for now. Let's do a $10, and there are some additional things that we are going to use next step. Okay, I don't like to use this stuff here, so it's already added. So I go back and search for my new campaign. All I have to search for Hong Kong campaign, which is this one. Activate it, and it's all enabled. And now I have two options. I have to add. Let's do something here. I will open the same link in another place here, so I can add the global site tag, so I can now which campaign drives the sale in my websites. So here I'm going to paste the same link. I come back here, so I go to setting, additional information. I'm going to change this here. In Shopify or in another, or WooCommerce, or in any shopping website that you are using or application, you have to track your sales. So in here I have to track all the sales that came from my campaign, from this Hong Kong Smart campaign. So I will take the link from other campaign I'm using, the information, and try to track this campaign. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, I have the tracking code. I can find it with the course, and this is how it works. You can just copy mine. I will leave it with this video. I'm going to track the campaign. I'm going to track the source, also the medium. The name of the campaign is here, Hong campaign. Source is Google Ads. Medium is PPC. So this is how we are going to track your campaign, if sales are coming from this campaign or not. After you save, that's it for this campaign. In the next video, we are going to see how to create ad groups within this smart campaign.